The environment surrounding the manufacturing industry is constantly changing, and digitization is accelerating. Today, we need to further enhance our ability to respond and require to adapt, such as acceleration of automation and sophistication of machinery, optimal production for demand fluctuations, and skilled worker-independent production. In order to solve these problems, installation of robotics and AI, IoT, has increased the number of devices and complicated cabling in the control panel, which has become a major issue in the control panel production. So Omron, in order to accomplish innovation for control panel production, transformed design philosophy from one device specific to incorporates common specifications for different devices. As a result, we, Omron, generate Omron's value design for panel, which is a common concept for the products in the control panel. Now, we will explain concretely the on-site innovations which accomplish by value design. Slim design and close mounting tolerance by thermal simulation and high-efficiency technology. Unification of heights between different devices. According to these results, we accomplish compact and sophisticated control panel by reducing dead space and occupied area by components in the control panel. Unique technology of push-in plus terminal blocks are easy to insert. Possible to clamp the screwdriver in the release hole, and you can work with using both hands. In addition, the input and output terminals are unified between different devices, so it improves workability. For the purpose of shortening the lead time of the control panel production. Provides an electric control CAD library for all model, which contributes to reducing the designing lead time. In addition, wiring steps and lead time can be reduced compared to the conventional terminal block. No retightening screw is required, and maintenance man-hours can be reduced. Omron will continue to innovate control panels.